raining. It's raining. Everybody come. Let me open the car first. Let me open the car first. Oh, come. Come. Kobe, enter your side. Mimi, this way. This way. Enter. Enter the car. Enter. Kobe, stop that nonsense. So. Oh, yeah, go your side. I'm the one you talk saying don't grow, saying sabi something. No sabi anything. No. Enter your car. Your side. It's a rainy day. Oh gosh.
Mama.
Huh?
Mama, Mimi, Mama, when I beat you. Azul. Mama, spell azul. Mama, spell azul.
Hi there.
Mama, nande ipai akashingona no.
Can ipai the shop? Just got back home from the hospital. So guys, we just got back home from the hospital, and this one is for Mimi, right? This one is for Kobe. I think I need to give them their drugs first, okay? And this one is for Kobe as well. This one is for Mimi. It's been raining since morning. It's been raining since I just opened my eyes in the morning. It's been raining up till now. It's been raining. I don't know, maybe it's the Chinichi. It will rain for the whole day. I don't know. And the temperature is kind of 8 degrees. It's cold, but not too cold. 8 degrees is okay. But it's been raining since morning today. So this one is for Kobe. Yeah. And he got to swallow one of this as well. One of this. Yeah. And Kobe's doing alright. Madam, I think how you come here. This one is for me. Baby guys, yeah. What do you want? You want biscuits? This one is for me. Yeah. They got two types of drugs. Mimi have this and as well this. Whereas Kobe have this and as well the swallow one. Kobe have this again and as well the swallow one. Choto mate kudasai. What do you want? Go open the fridge and bring it. My kids are everywhere. They are just a whole lot. Let me attend to her. Nata, sweetheart. Don't put this dog away. It's Mama arigato wa?
Mama, arigato.
Hi. Let me give them their drug. Anyway, I use hot water to dissolve it, so let me wait for like 1 minute. Then I can give it to them. See guys, I want to gist you guys. My phone spoiled at the end of the day. And that was why I was offline for like, let's say 2 weeks or more than, I don't know. And I got a new one. That is why there is kind of a difference in my previous video and Sugiwa Emakara. You get? I'm now using another phone. That is this. This is currently my phone. As in the phone I'm using to make this video now is this is Redmi 12 5G. Yeah, this is what I'm currently using now. For my baby girl inserted my phone inside the water. My beautiful 1 minute. Where's that my infinite? This was my old phone. See this rich phone, this big girl phone, this authentic phone. My baby girl spoiled it at the end of the day. She just soaked this phone inside water. It's not just insert. She soaked my phone inside water and asked me where was I? Where were you when she soaked your phone inside water? I don't go pay answer that one. But at the end of the day, the phone is still, if you call the phone, it will ring. If you charge it, it will charge. The alarm, it will ring. Maybe my waking up alarm, going to work, fixing 1 or 2 things that I set with my phone. But the screen is just black, totally blank. So that is the fault this phone is having. Then I have to package it and keep it. Okay, for now it's no more useful. And I switched over to this. And as I'm making this video, like I said, I'm using this one now. So they're going to be kind of this particular phone is okay, but it's not my quality of phone. That's what I mean. And but I'll just, I don't want to say manage. I'm gonna use it, okay? And because that is what that is available for me at this point, okay? And yeah, I can see the differences between the old, as in this camera and this camera. Or more, you cannot compare. You no go fit compare. You can't compare, okay? You no go fit compare, I'm telling you. But meanwhile, we are good to go. We are good to go. I miss this phone so much. This phone is, the camera is something else. It's so beautiful. But this one, the camera is always looking as if everywhere is blunt. I don't know. The camera is just looking like everywhere is blunt, everywhere is dark or stuff like that. Even if the lights are on, but still, it's as if everywhere is dark. That's this camera. But this camera is so sharp, so sharp. Anyway, that is it. And